Hey everyone, welcome back to Kiki Beauty Talks, where I spill all the juicy beauty secrets to help you rock that confidence. Today, let's dive into something we all care about deeply, our precious hair and nails. They're like our personal calling cards, right? So, let's ensure they're not just noticed but admired. First off, taking care of your hair and nails isn't just about appearances. It's a form of self-love and relaxation. Picture yourself indulging in some TLC while you whip those locks into shape and give your nails the royal treatment they deserve. Alright, let's get into it. We're splitting this ultimate guide into two parts, hair care and nail care, sprinkled with some extra tips to spice up your routine. Hair care. Section 1, the basics. First up, always match your shampoo and conditioner to your hair type. Let's find out your hair porosity for better understanding. Hair porosity refers to how well your hair can absorb and retain moisture. There are three main types of hair porosity: low, medium, and high. To test your hair porosity, all you need is a clean glass of water and few strands of your hair. Now follow these steps. Take a few strands of your hair from different parts of your head. Drop the hair strands into the glass of water. Now wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Now observe. If your hair stays on top of the water, it's likely low porosity. If your hair floats midway, it's likely medium porosity. If your hair sinks quickly, it's likely high porosity. Low porosity hair. For shampoo, look for clarifying shampoos that can help remove buildup without weighing your hair down. For conditioner, use lightweight, water-based conditioners that won't further weigh down your hair. Medium porosity hair. For shampoo, you can use a variety of shampoos, but avoid those with harsh sulfates. For conditioner, opt for a balanced conditioner that provides moisture without being too heavy. High porosity hair. For shampoo, choose moisturizing shampoos with gentle cleansers to prevent further dryness. For conditioner, look for rich, creamy conditioners with ingredients like shea butter or coconut oil to help nourish and repair damaged hair. Or you can grab a clarifying shampoo for oily, greasy hair. And for dry strands, moisturizing shampoo is your new BFF. Oh, and ditch the heat tools, or at least use them sparingly. They're not always the best pals for your precious mane. Section 2, daily hair care routine. Cleanse and nourish. My friend, sulfate-free products are the MVPs here. And don't forget that leave-in conditioner. It's like a shield against the world's hair-damaging antics. For my curly-haired pals, that diffuser attachment is your secret weapon against frizz. Section 3, hairstyling tips. Let's add some volume by using volumizing mousse for that voluminous volume, and a sea salt spray for those beachy waves. Oh, and ditch those metal hair elastics. They're so last season. Section 4, nighttime hair care routine. Beauty sleep, anyone? A silk pillowcase and a nourishing hair mask are your new nighttime essentials. Now let's take a closer look to the differences between silk and cotton pillowcase. Silk pillowcases keep your shiny and do not cause frizz. It is not only good for your hair but also for your skin, as it do not absorb your skin moisture. It is anti-wrinkle, do not cause acne, and let your skin and hair breathe. Section 5, dealing with common hair problems. Dry scalp? Dandruff? We've got you covered. Let's take a closer look at both of these problems. Dry scalp. Dry scalp flakes are small, white, and powdery in texture. It causes mild itching and characterized by dry, tight, and sometimes by sensitive skin on scalp. The incorporation of nourishing oils such as jojoba oil, olive oil, avocado oil, tea tree oil, mashed banana, and aloe vera deeply hydrates the scalp and help combating dryness. Dandruff. Dandruff flakes are large, grayish, and often yellow or white in color. It causes itching quite intense and may lead to red and oily patches on scalp. The inclusion of zinc pyrithione and selenium sulfide, alongside other approved actives like salicylic acid, sulfur, and coal tar solution, provides effective relief against dandruff. Section 6, extra hair care tips. Wide tooth comb. Be gentle when detangling wet hair to prevent breakage, using a wide tooth comb instead of harsh brushes. Nutrition and lifestyle changes. Adjust your diet and add nutritious food full of vitamins, particularly vitamin A, C, D, and E, and minerals such as iron and zinc and proteins. Also, maintain your lifestyle with regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management. Supplements and topical treatments. Consuming supplements like biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, or multivitamins for hair health daily can be helpful for hair growth. Ingredients for hair growth. Topical treatments such as minoxidil and essential oils like rosemary and peppermint oil can promote hair growth and reduce shedding. Section 7. Hair schedule. Here's the simplest yet effective hair care schedule that you can adapt to achieve your hair goals. Begin by shampooing your hair 3 times a week because frequent shampooing can strip your hair of its natural oils and moisture, potentially leading to damage. Ensure to deep condition your hair at least once a week to replenish moisture and keep it healthy, and apply hair oil at least 2 to 3 times a week before shampooing to prevent your hair from drying out during the washing process. Finally, don't forget to treat your scalp with a weekly treatment to cleanse away buildup and maintain its health. Nail care. Step 1. Remove old nail polish. Out with the old, in with the fabulous. Acetone-free remover is your go-to here. Step 2. Trim and file. Straight cuts, smooth edges, that's the name of the game. Step 3. Soak and push. Give those nails some love with a warm soak, then gently push back those cuticles. No cutting allowed. Step 4. Moisturize. Your nails crave hydration too. Give them some TLC with a moisturizing cream or oil. Step 5. Paint away. Choosing paint colors that complement your skin tone and make you look elegant can depend on various factors, including personal preferences and the specific shades. Here are some guidelines for warm and cool tones girlies. Step 6. Accessories. Accessorizing your hands and nails can enhance their appearance and make them look pretty. Here are some tips on how to achieve this. Wearing statement rings, bracelets, and even nails arts like clean French tips. Extra nail care tips. Keep them clean, protect them, and give them a breather now and then. Your nails deserve it. And that wraps up today's video, Kikis. I hope you found it helpful. Remember to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Kiki Beauty Talks. See you in the next video.